we generate, and where it all ends up.
In today's world, disposable items such as polystyrene egg trays contribute significantly to the economic crisis, harming ecosystems and taking centuries to decompose. Maayong buntag! I am Andrea Delisinotiva,
And I am Hannah Timoral.
and we are excited to introduce Paper Bloom, a solution that turns waste into an opportunity to give back to the earth. Imagine a future where waste is not just discarded, but transformed into something beautiful and sustainable. Paper Bloom introduces revolutionized egg trays that are made with recyclable materials and embedded in seeds. After using, these trays can be planted, decomposing naturally and growing into plants. This innovative product, crafted from recyclable materials, combines with practicality and sustainability by reducing waste and promoting green living. Unlike conventional trays, Paper Bloom offers a zero-waste solution, transforming everyday packaging into a life and growth, contributing to a more sustainable life.
Paper Bloom helps our ecosystem and ensures safer products for environment and human health. Moreover, its seed-embedded trays support reforestation, enhances biodiversity, and empowers individuals to contribute to environmental restoration, making it a sustainable and eco-friendly solution.
So why choose Scrap Sheets? Because it stands out from existing products by offering a biodegradable alternative to plastic egg trays made entirely from recyclable materials. Unlike conventional tray, it avoids using harmful chemicals and reduces the reliance of non-renewable resources like petroleum. What makes it truly unique is its embedded seeds, turning the product into a tool for reforestation and biodiversity restoration. Paper Blooms combines waste reduction, resource conservation, and an active environmental impact, providing a sustainable choice for its eco-conscious consumers.
Paper Bloom measures 30 cm in length, 20 cm in width, and 4 cm in height, fitting 12 to 18 eggs. The material is 2 to 3 mm thick for durability and for easy decomposition. Each egg trace weighs 50 to 70 grams. Each egg cavity contains 1 to 2 embedded seeds designed to grow herbs, flowers, or small vegetables. The tray fully decomposes in 4 to 6 weeks when planted into soil.
The production process starts by collecting recyclable paper waste, which is then shredded and blended, turning it into a pulp. To achieve earthy color, we can add coffee, yet avoid using artificial color to protect the quality of the seeds. The seeds then carefully mix into the pulp before putting it into the mold to shape the tray. Once formed, the trays are dried. After use, the trays can be torn into pieces, planted into the soil, and watered regularly. Within 4 to 6 weeks, they naturally decompose, enriching the soil as the seeds germinate and grow into plants.
This egg tray is designed with embedded seed, allowing it to be planted after use, transforming waste into a growing bed for a new life.
This is the formula used in getting the estimated costing for the production. Thus, the total cost in making 1,000 Scrap Sheets egg trays is 2,000 pesos.
The estimated cost for making an egg tray is calculated by adding the material cost, which is the water, the mold depreciation, seed, and labor, and dividing it by the trays produced. So for 1,000 trays, the total cost is 2,000 pesos, which means that the cost per tray is 2 pesos. Paper Bloom offers eco-friendly and biodegradable design that reduces waste and promotes sustainability. With the embedded seed, it transforms into plant after use, supporting environmental conservation. By choosing Paper Bloom, you can contribute to a greener future and a sustainable lifestyle.
So So why not choose Paper Bloom? Where paper ends, life begins.